Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another glammed or damned video. So I haven't done one of these in a few weeks, so I thought why not come back and do one with the new LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I'm so excited to try this foundation. A little bit about this foundation. I picked mine up from Ulta. It was about $8.99, but right now you can get them buy one get one 50% off. So right now would be the best time to pick up this foundation. At Ulta, this was the darkest shade that they had, and it is the shade Cafe, at least at my Ulta. Online, they do have more shades, but there is a total of 14 shades on LA Girl website, but on their website, it is $10. So, HD Long Wear Matte Foundation. So, it does claim to be a matte foundation. It claims to be medium to full coverage, and also a smooth long wear suede finish. So, this is the packaging. It does come in like a frosted package, so you can't really actually see the shade of the foundation because it is in a frosted bottle here, but it also comes with a pump, so that is definitely a plus because a $9 foundation that comes with the pump, yeah, I love it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead and jump into the demo portion of this video, then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. I just used the NYX Angel Veil primer because that's the primer that I will probably 9 times out of 10 be wearing with this foundation. And I'm just going to use a sponge today. It does come with a pump. So I'm going to just pump out a little bit on the back of my hand. Alright, so I pumped out about that much on the back of my hand. It may work. I was a little afraid about it being too light, but it looked like it might work. Yeah, it looked like it might work. Okay. So this is one side done. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the coverage of this foundation is just so good. Like, OMG, the color, I think the color ended up matching perfectly, so I'm happy about that because I was a little scared about that, but it looks really, really good. And it covered up all of my dark spots over here. Like, I really like it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this other side of my face, and then we are going to talk about this because I really like it so far. So I personally really like the coverage of this foundation. I feel like it applied very smooth, and it is giving me like a satin finish. I'm not really getting any dewiness or anything like that from it. So but it doesn't actually look drying either, like most matte foundations would do. So I really like that about it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. This is just what looking in the mirror off the bat is giving me. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and give you guys all of my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this foundation is that I love it. I really do. I love the coverage of this foundation. I'm looking in the mirror here, which is why I keep looking there, but I really love the coverage of this. I feel like it is a medium to full coverage. I feel like it is buildable to a super full coverage, but I only put on one layer, and I feel like that was enough coverage for me. And it is very comfortable on the skin. It's not heavy or cakey or anything like that, so I feel like it would be very easy to wear it every day. Like, it's very comfortable to wear every day. So I do like that about it. I actually ended up liking the color. I don't know if I mentioned this in the demo, but if you saw my haul, you know that I said that I thought that maybe this would be too light for me because it is in the frosted tint, so you can't really see what color it is. But once I applied it to my face, I really like the coverage and the color of it. So I really like this foundation, guys. I want to see, I did not set this foundation. I only set it where I put my concealer. So like where under my eyes, where I put my concealer, and on my forehead, down my chin, nose, and all that stuff is where the only place that I put powder. I didn't feel the need to put it anywhere else because, like I said in the demo, it's not giving me a dewy finish. It gave me more of a satin finish, and with most satin foundations, I don't really have to set them because they're not really gonna oil up that much. So I really like this foundation. I like the fact that it does come with a pump, and I like the price range, like I said, and the shade range of this foundation. I do feel like it probably could have a little bit more deeper shades, but it does have some deeper shades. At least they didn't exclude all deeper shades. Like I said, this one was the darkest one that I could find at Ulta's, and I just love the coverage of it. It's super comfortable and it's good for everyday wear. That is pretty much how I feel about the foundation right now. I'm feeling very, very glammed about it. If you guys want to know all of my final thoughts and how long I kept this on, definitely check out the description box below so you guys can see how long I kept this foundation on and if it broke up around my nose, any updates I have on this foundation. But so far I really like this foundation. Definitely recommend it. Definitely feeling glam, and I highly recommend this foundation. So I think that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation out, and if you have, let me know you guys' thoughts on it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more Glammed or Damned videos, and I think that is about it. So if you guys are having an amazing day, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.